This is the Pinup Full Support Demiette. It comes in sizes 32 through 44 and fits bands 26 through 46. It works best on B through P cups, but AA and A cups can fit in this great with petals. As you can see, the neckline is a nice deep V, and it has a good strap adjustment that we'll look at in the back as well, but a nice clean look in the front. This is the back of the Pinup Full Support Demiette, and as you can see, it's got lots of gorgeous character. It's got a high racerback strap and then beautiful lace detailing that goes from the top all the way around to the sides. Very, very popular with people that love racerbacks and teens. This is the inside of the front of the Pinup Full Support Demiette. As you can see, the cups are a little larger on this one, so it works great on larger bust lines. Nice deep V neckline. You can see those molded cups that keep from the uniboob happening, and then that added structure in all our full support camis and demiettes that gives you nice lift and structure without any underwires. And of course, our surgical grade silicone gripper to keep things in place. This is the back of the inside of the Pinup Full Support Demiette. As you can see, nice soft seams, that high racerback strap line, and then some added structure and paneling across here to help distribute the weight of the bust line and give that added support.